Hey everyone, back with another fan video, and what we've got here today is a 40-inch Sears Emerson ceiling fan made entirely out of plastic. I mean, blades are plastic, housing's plastic, canopy's plastic, but the down rod is metal and the flywheel is metal and the switch housing is also plastic. This one's in not that bad a shape. It was in a kitchen, I believe, of a really old house. And this thing got used because when I picked it up, it was a curbside pickup off of Facebook Marketplace. It was absolutely covered in dust, like just everywhere. Just so dirty. But cleaned it up, and it honestly cleaned up pretty nice. Here's your tag. I want to say this thing is from 1983 is what I think I've heard, that these things were commonly dated. Yeah, there's your tag. Even has its original mounting bracket too. Little hook, you can't even see it in there, but it's the J-hook system. But yeah, the bearings are shot in this thing, unfortunately, so it's a little noisy. But yeah. Yeah, I think this thing was used pretty well. Nice little mark in the pull chain thing. I don't know what you call those, but yeah. Anyway, these are 2-speed fans. This will be a very quick video. But yeah, I will now demonstrate this fan. Here's low. And I do have another one of these. It has Hampton Bay Carousel 2 blades on it. Only reason it has those blades is because the original set was broken from being thrown into a dumpster. But yeah. So anyway, I picked this up off Facebook Marketplace. It was curbside pickup, and I picked this thing up right in the nick of time. Right before a big thunderstorm, right before it was going to get rained on. And yeah, super dirty fan, but it honestly cleaned up pretty nicely. But it sucks the bearings are noisy and hissy, because it still runs pretty decent. As you guys can see, low speed's pretty quick on this thing. It's more of like a medium low than it is a low speed. But yeah. Alright, now we will take it up to high. Still runs pretty decent. It's just, again, the bearings are bad in it, so it makes a little bit of noise, but runs decent other than that. Do a close-up of it now. Again, runs decent, just has noisy bearings. Alright, now we will do spin down. I always liked how these old Emersons look. But yeah, looks good. I like it. But yeah, these things were only sold at Sears way back when. They weren't sold anywhere else. They were made by Emerson, sold for Sears. That's all really the info I have on these things. But yeah. And these fans, I do believe they did come in white as well, because I have seen a couple of white ones. But the most common finish for these is brown that I've seen, so yeah. I gotta say, it looks cool on the testing rig right now, because it matches the basement ceiling pretty well. Old fan, old house. Goes along good. Oh, it's going back. Oh, now it's stopped. Alright, so the fans come to a complete stop. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.